see, based on the report from the president and other party workers, so they had a communication with our party high command and especially the in charge, Shri Anthony G. So the party from Delhi, they have given a green signal that we have to contest. BJP have to contest the election, but invitation of application we have not heard. Then yes, that day we have the foundation day, just 2 days ago, foundation day of the party, 47 for foundation day of the party. So I was, we were there, but they said we have not, they only from the, yeah, they have given a green signal to the president. So we are yet, this president is yet to call the application.
But are you willing?
The disciplined soldier of the party. If the party high command or the state command came to contest, so as a disciplined soldier, I have to go and to the battlefield and fight. Just to remind you, during the year 2019, unexpected, 3 weeks before the polling of the MP election, from party office at 12 o'clock midnight, they called me. Then they informed me that the mail came from Delhi that they have nominated you as the candidate for the PGP 2019. So as a disciplined soldier of party too, next day I get it prepared only 3 weeks. 3 weeks, imagine, only 3 weeks to campaign for 36 constituencies, not one, only 3 weeks. During 2019. So this time, though, I don't know whom the party will nominate.
But